Hello everyone, this is FXH-AR-005 doing another action figure review, thoughts, opinions, hootenanny, what have you. And this is the Acid Rain Wave 1.5 Valerius figure. Just like with the other one here, I got it in today. Boxes are pretty banged up, but the figures are fine. That's what's important, I guess. Again, it comes with the same standard articulation. The secondary does hinder the torso slightly, but you still can get a decent range here. Still can get pretty decent range out of it. It is also limited by the exoskeleton pieces that you see here. Those can be removed. He also does come with the sidearm as well. Take that off. He also comes with the cloth that the Escort L came with. You can see double elbows, up and down wrist, side to side, elbows out, butterflies. Make sure I'm paying attention here. Drop down hips, double knees, swivel, and then ankle and toe articulation. For accessories, he comes with 3 weapons, and a backpack blaster here that can just fit onto the backpack, the exoskeleton, like so. There we go. This does articulate up and down, side to side. Some cool poses. He also comes with this larger assault rifle here. Some nice detailing on it. And then it comes with this smaller one that I do believe is slightly modular. You can take off the front and the back, and you can have this a few different combinations here of the weapon, so that's pretty fun. And then the sidearm here, and that can also again be stored on the exoskeleton as well as his actual legs, and I'll show you the figure without the exoskeleton in a second. He also comes with these 2 grenades, and they can fit on his secondary right here. You just slot right in there, like so. And then he also comes with these little disc pieces that can be ported in when you don't want him wearing the exoskeleton. So let's go ahead and remove the exoskeleton for the review here. Go ahead and take it off. There we go. To take it off at the hips here, and then you can just pop it off and put that in like so. Pop it out, plug it in, and then for this, just pop it out at the elbow. Little, come on. There we go. And once that's done, you can unhook it from that. You can unhook it from the back here. I believe. Should we take the back off or not? I think you can take the back off, but I'm not going to try it right now on camera. I'll try it later. But for the purpose of this review here, you can still just plug in these last little bits. Like so. Let's see. I think you can. Come on. Oh well. Well, I will figure it out later. Let you know if it comes off or not. But in the meantime, that has been my review of Acid Rain Valerius figure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.